Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there was an old woman who lived with her husband on a farm at the edge of the town. She liked baking gingerbread. She baked gingerbread cookies, cakes, and gingerbread people, decorated them with chocolate, peppermint, caramel, candies, and colored icing. As she baked, the sweet, spicy smell of gingerbread brought children running to see what she would offer them that day. Children loved her treats and gobbled up so fast that she had hard time keeping her supply of flour and spices to continue making the batches of gingerbread. Sometimes children reached through her kitchen window to grab gingerbread pieces and cookies. Once, a whole tray of gingerbread cookies vanished mysteriously. She and her husband thought, "Oh, these naughty children, they can just knock on the door and we will give them our gingerbread cookies." One day, she made a batch of extra big gingerbread men, but for the last gingerbread man, she ran out of batter, so she made him half the size of the others. She decorated the gingerbread men with socks, shirt, and pants of different colors. For the little gingerbread man, she felt sorry and gave him more color than the others. "He's small," she thought, "but I'll make him look special." The old woman kept the rack on the kitchen window sill to cool and went to finish her household chores. The gingerbread men lay quietly with their eyes gazing at the sky and the puffy clouds. Suddenly a voice came from somewhere. Get up, come with me." The old woman and her husband came running to see who was speaking. It was a butterfly flying just outside the window, so beautiful, and her wings were exceptionally pretty with patterned blue. There was no reaction from the gingerbread men. They kept staring. But the smallest gingerbread man hopped up from the tray and leaped off the kitchen window sill onto the grass below faster than the butterfly could say hurry. Now, let us continue to the next page. "Where are you going?"
Where are you going?
he asked
He asked
eagerly.
eagerly.
"We will go far away. We will go
We will go
far away
far away
and enjoy
and enjoy
the beauty
the beauty
of the woods."
of the wood
Before
before
the butterfly
the butterfly
finished speaking,
finished
speaking,
speaking.
children appeared
Children appeared
in the lawn.
in the lawn.
They were
They were
surprised
surprised
and delighted
and delighted
to see the
to see the
little
little
gingerbread man.
gingerbread man.
They started
They started
screaming,
seeing you,
screaming,
seeing you,
screaming
seeing
with wonder
with wonder
and began to
and began to
chase him. Chase him.
chase him.
Stop, stop.
Stop, stop.
They shouted.
They shouted.
We want to.
We gone to.
We want to.
We gone to.
W-A-N-T. Want. We want to
Oh, we want to
eat you.
eat him.
The gingerbread man
The gingerbread man
flipping his
lifting
his
his
little legs
little legs
started to run
started to run
faster
faster
to escape.
to escape.
He yelled,
He yelled,
I will not stop.
I
I will not stop.
will not stop.
Catch me
Catch me
if you can.
if you can.
Run, run
Run
as fast
as fast
as you can.
as you can.
I am the
I am
gingerbread man.
the gingerbread man.
Where are you going? He asked eagerly. We will go far away and enjoy the beauty of the woods. Before the butterfly finished speaking, children appeared in the lawn. They were surprised and delighted to see the little gingerbread man. They started screaming with wonder and began to chase him. Stop, stop, they shouted. We want to eat you. The gingerbread man, flipping his little legs, started to run faster to escape. He yelled, I will not stop. Catch me if you can. Run, run as fast as you can. I am the gingerbread man. The children
The children
could not catch him.
could not catch him.
Catch him
Could not catch him
until
until
he was
he was
out of
out of
their sight.
their sight.
Sight.
The side,
S-I-G-H-T. Sight.
at the side,
He ran
he ran
continuously
continuously
and reached a
and reached a
pasture. Pasture. Pasture.
pasture,
Pasture.
pasture,
Ah.
pasture,
Where two horses
where two
horses
horses
were grazing.
were grazing.
He sat down.
Beside,
He sat down.
he sat down,
Yes, he sat down.
he sat down,
Sat. He sat down. Sit, sat. Sit, sat. He sat down.
he sat down,
Hat కాదు. S-A-T. Sat. He sat down
he sat down
on a rock
on a rock
near the
near the
fence.
fun,
Fence. Fence.
That's the fan.
He's near the fence.
Near the
Fence.
fence.
Fence. To rest.
That
Don't stop.
don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Don't stop.
Said the butterfly.
Said the butterfly.
Fluttering
clustering
nearby.
nearby.
I want to rest.
I want to
Rest.
rest. I want
Rest.
to rest.
He
Rest.
said,
He said,
that was a mistake.
that was you.
That was
That was
a mistake
a mistake.
as
And
as
as
one of the
one of the
horses
horses
jogged
jumped
over
over
to the fence
to the fence
and to see
and to eat
and to see
and to see
the little
the little
wonder.
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 Oh,
Oh,
what a
what a
fragrance.
what a
Fragrance. Fragrance.
fragrance
You have,
you have.
little gingerbread man.
Little gingerbread man,
Come near
come here
so that
so that
I can smell
I can smell
you better.
you better.
The little
The little
gingerbread man
gingerbread man
shook his head,
shook
shook, shook
shook his
his head,
head,
but quickly
but quickly
the horse
the horse
jumped
jumped
the fence
the fence
and began
and began
galloping
galloping
after him.
after him.
So
So
he rose
he rose
to run
from
even more
even more
swiftly,
quickly,
swiftly, swiftly.
quickly.
He started singing,
He started singing,
I outran the children
outran the children,
and I will
and I will
outrun you.
outrun you.
Run, run
Run
as fast
as fast
as you can.
as you can.
Catch me
Catch me
if you can.
if you can.
I am the
I am the
gingerbread man.
gingerbread man.
The horse
The horse
ran and ran,
ran and ran,
but
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 it could not
he could not
catch him.
catch
Catch him.
him.
The children could not catch him. Until he was out of their sight, he ran continuously and reached a pasture where two horses were grazing. He sat down on a rock near the fence to rest. Don't stop, said the butterfly, fluttering nearby. I want to rest, he said. That was a mistake, as one of the horses jogged over to the fence and to see the little wonder. Oh, what a fragrance you have, little gingerbread man. Come near so that I can smell you better. The little gingerbread man shook his head, but quickly the horse jumped the fence and began galloping after him. So he rose to run even more swiftly. He started singing, I outran the children and I'll outrun you. Run, run as fast as you can. Catch me if you can. I am the gingerbread man. The horse ran and ran, but it could not catch him. ఇప్పుడు చాలాసార్లు వినండి. విన్నాక ఒక మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి మీ వాయిస్ని మీరు రికార్డ్ చేసుకోండి. రికార్డ్ చేసి నేను చదివిన దాంతో కంపేర్ చేసి చూడండి. ఎక్కడెక్కడ మీకు మిస్టేక్స్ అనిపిస్తాయో మీన్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై యువర్ మిస్టేక్స్ అండ్ అవన్నీ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రీరికార్డ్ చేయండి. ఈ విధంగా మీ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ మీరు ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.